What's going on, YouTube? Today we back. I know I've been slacking, but it's been a lot going on. You know what I'm saying? We're finna get into this low tape. We're finna change my boy life from around. You know what I'm saying? We're going in with the babyless clippers and we're finna freehand the fro. And we're gonna toss on the two guard and knock it on down. Now with this low taper, I'm gonna start it, you know what I'm saying, where the glasses we use to sit at, you know what I'm saying, at the top of the ear, just so we can see a transition in the blend. You don't wanna make the ball line too high. Finna knock the front down with the 1 1/2 guard with the grain, just so we can line it up and it be real crispy. Then I'm gonna do a rough draft for the line and come put in a rough draft for the C cup. It's a lot of people that put their ball lines so high that you really can't even see the C cup, and they try to force the C cup on it, mostly with black spray, and it really don't work like that. You know what I'm saying? If you're gonna have a C cup, you're gonna have to make the ball line lower and show your transition. You can't have a high ball, low tape. Like, you gotta learn how to blend, because once you be able to blend, you can get the transition you want and still have the C cup. Now I'm just going in open, finna go up just a tad bit, you know what I'm saying? I don't know my measurements like that, but y'all can see how far I'm going up. And I'm dropping halfway, hitting it in the middle of that line. I'm closing it up and just pushing up at the bottom of the ball line. Nothing extra, just something real slight and simple. I get my liners and knock out that ball line all the way. I'm not pushing that line all the way up. I'm just hitting at the bottom of it. Now I'm a one guard, I'm gonna open it up all the way, and I'm gonna go up the same amount as I did with no guard. You know what I'm saying? And I use a comb on certain hair, but most hair, because lately the comb been giving me the most consistent blend. I ain't gonna cap. Now I'm gonna drop it down to halfway, and I'm gonna close it and hit the bottom of that line. But mostly just staying consistent with the system. You know what I'm saying? Folks be doing too much to get the blend. It's really just open halfway, closed, and staying consistent. And the detail work really what bring it out. Now I'm putting on my 1 1/2 guard. We're just going up. We scooping out, you know what I'm saying? You gotta see that weight at the top from the blend. We're finna, you know what I'm saying, try to smooth all this out and get it to flow right, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna open and we're gonna close it, and then we're gonna come back with the one guard open and get the dark spots, you know what I'm saying? I always follow with the previous guard and the previous step, because nothing gonna come out perfect the first go around.
told my shit doing dude. Niggas do it in your class. But not in your class, but environment one. I sure got moved.
Yeah, finna see me tap at the C cup again, you know what I'm saying? Just trying to get it back in there right. Cause some hair was hanging over from when we was blending. So now we got it, you know what I'm saying, make some little adjustments to it, keeping it sharp. And that's not gonna be the last time that I touch it. I'm gonna touch it with the razor and I'm gonna hit it with the clipper at least 2 more times, I believe. You know, so I'm not pushing it back, I'm just making sure it's sharp. I'm gonna come in with my masters and do my feathering technique with the corner of my blade, you know what I'm saying? Just hitting it, making sure everything's smooth, everything the same length, you know what I'm saying? Small detail work, it ain't perfect, but it's damn sure better than no detail work. You know what I'm saying? We working. You know what I'm saying?
I
The
was going
same
live, but now
steps
I'm actually
apply,
recording.
ball guideline,
Yeah.
going open halfway close with the no guard, with the guard, and then with the 1 1/2, I'm gonna smooth it down with the 1 1/2, you know what I'm saying? Try to even all the bulk out, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just speed this part up and let y'all see how it come out. Attacking your client's facial hair, it just add a little bit more sauce to their game. You know what I'm saying? Being a barber, you gotta actually see that, because most people really ain't gonna ask for it. And some people who do, you know what I'm saying, they might like it a specific way, but if you see that it can be done in a way that's gonna add a little sauce to their game, you know what I'm saying, put them on game, see if they wanna try it, you know what I'm saying? We got all the tricks in our bag. Now I done applied the fibers, so now I'm finna hit the C cups again and make them sharp with the razor. Y'all about to see how it turn out. Cause right now, the C cup ain't popping with the clipper, so gotta switch to my razor. And it's basically the finished cut, you know what I'm saying? If y'all like it, apply some of these steps to your game. Got any questions, comment or DM me on my Instagram. My Instagram gonna be at the end of the video. But for sure, check out my other videos. I'm finna start back dropping. It's been a little rough time, but we finna get back to it though, for sure. Rolls Royce truck, I just spent 300,000, it bitch got no mileage. Charging niggas out of run up some thousand, you playing with money, you childish. New drip, I just fired my stylist, finna take a trip to the islands. They be like, Lil' Sosa, you wildin', bitch telling the coupe, yeah, I'm sliding. Run up the check, then I walk in the bank. Racing get track, I got filled up the tank. King of the hill, now they calling me Hank. Keep pouring the drink and he rolling the thing. Got tired of the tennis, not talking about racks. These hands on my neck, yeah, they cost a few stacks. The bros at the cancer, they ain't going back. Checking who you with, we like Bernie Mac. My bars hit a nigga like McDonald's Sprite. I just been getting to it every night. Plaguing the game like coronavirus. Hide and go see me, you nigga be